Hello, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well wherever you are. Let's revise some suku kata. Ma, na, ba, pa, ka, ta, cha, sa, ya, da, ni, mi, bi, si, pi, ki, ti, yi, chi, di, nu, mu, bu, pu, ku, tu, su, you, ju, do. Now let's learn a new sound. This letter makes the sound g, g. Let's say it again. G. Now let's learn the suku kata with this g sound. G, a, ga, ga. Here it's na, ga, naga. Naga means dragon. G, e, gi, gi. Here it's gi, 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 gi. Gigi means the teeth. G, oo, goo, goo. Here it's guli, guli. Guli, it's a marble. Now let's read the suku kata again. Ga, gi, gu, gi, gu, ga, gu, ga, gi. How do we write this letter? This is a small letter G. We start at the middle line. So make a curve to the left, down, turn and stop at the bottom line. Now go back to the middle line, touching the curve. Make a straight line down. Don't stop here. Go past the bottom line and curl it up a little to the left, like making a little tail. Okay, keep practicing until you can get this right. Great job. That's all for now. Remember, keep trying and keep reading. Bye-bye. See you again soon.